Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications for your REALME Narzo 50i Prime. So in order to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app, enter Notify Body. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, move to the next step and grant the app two permissions. First is overlay permission, find Notify Body and allow display over the other apps. Now go back, go for notification permission and do the same thing. Last is battery optimization, and it's optional, you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move on to the next step and close this starting tutorial. From here, you can start using this app, and there's 4 tabs down here. First one is user, so you can pick any apps to allow custom LED lamp notifications for. Let's pick these two. You can go to system to find any system bound apps. In active, there will be all apps that you've just activated. And for the settings, you'll be able to change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, color, placement on the screen, whatever you want. But some of the options are locked behind the premium version. So now let's click on the test button, and that way you'll be able to see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.